and welcome to this vlog, whatever it turns out to be. Anyway, so I used to have long hair. It was about up to here, and I cut it back to about here. This is what I cut off, which was about 4 inches, which is about roughly 10 centimeters, I think, 10.16 if my maths is correct. Yep, this is my hair. That's about 4 inches of my hair, roughly, give or take. Anyway, and now we're going to be dyeing it, I think, with like streaks, or I haven't figured out how to dye it yet. So my hair's gonna turn out like that. But this is the dye we're using. Not sponsored. Anyway, here are the instructions.
12 seconds later.
So now we have put application bottle B, which is in the bin, into here. Application bottle A. And now we just need to shake for a good, I don't know how long. Oh, by the way, if you see writing on my hand, it's basically just a shopping list because I went shopping before. But now we need to shake. Be right back.
A few moments later.
I am in a raincoat. We're gonna do this. Woo! Now what we're doing is basically clumping my hair with sticky tape and with foil. So the foiled ones are not going to be dyed and the non-foiled ones are going to be dyed. So it's kind of alternating. It smells.
Sure does.
20 minutes later.
So, Toffee, stay. Yes, my dog's here. Wanna say hello? Say hello to the vlog. This is Toffee. Oh, no licking. No licking, alright? Good Toffee. Anyway, sorry about that. Toffee just wanted to interrupt my update. So basically, it's been 25 minutes later and I've washed it and conditioned it with the conditioner bottle or whatever. Doesn't look like much. I don't know if you can see anything yet. Maybe you can see a little. You can probably see a little bit. For now, I'm gonna be drying my hair and we'll see if the blonde actually, it's gone a bit lighter, but we'll see if the blonde actually comes through.
20 minutes later.
Well, I don't think the dye has worked as much. It's worked a little bit. You can see it's gone a little bit light brown. Or maybe that's just the lighting. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Well, it didn't go according to plan, but this is the aftermath. We'll see in a couple of days. Maybe it gets lighter. Who knows? Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, whatever this video turns out to be. Goodbye.
Many tic-tacs later.
Future Alice editing here. It didn't go according to plan. It didn't work, so we used another packet of dye, as you can tell, and this is the result. So we're using this one as well, because if you looked at the last clip, it was terrible. It didn't show up any blonde highlights. Hopefully this will work, but not too blonde. But hopefully this one will work. See, as you can see, this one's actually gone a lot lighter. Or maybe it's just the lighting, I don't know. But it's definitely gone a lot lighter than the previous dye. The previous dye didn't work. So, yikes. So yeah, we're going this one. So, yeah, we'll see how this one turns out. It's gonna turn out terrible. I know that, that's for sure. Anyway, I kind of look like one of my Bratz dolls that I did experiments with. You know what? Never mind. You don't need to know. I'll see you in a bit.
1 hour later.
Oh, okay. So it's turned out like this, but the back is turned out. Oh, I can't show you the back, but I'll show you a picture. This is the back of my head. It's not good lighting, but it does look streakier and a bit lighter than the front of my hair. The back turned out a lot lighter than the front, but the front still, you can see some streaks, I think. You can definitely tell. I mean, the other one didn't work properly, this one kind of did. So, overall, it became somewhat blonde streaks. not the best, but I hope you can, I don't know if you can see. I'll see if I can find the footage, but yeah. Anyway, the back is totally better than the front. I hope you enjoyed this video. I dyed my hair. Whatever this video turns out to be. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.